Now we use the K518 Pro to program Smart Key of BYD Song L in November 2024. I have two keys in my hand. This one is the original car key. Another one is the new key. Now we use the K518 Pro to add this new key. Every time you program the new key, need to use the original car key. The program which original key not involved can't work. Okay, now we will add key by K518 Pro. Choose BYD. Select Smart Key. We haven't added Song L to the Song series menu yet, so we could use another menu to program this car. We could go to Frigate 07 menu, for example. Okay, we need to find the sensing area. The sensing area is here. It's at the bottom of the glove box. Now we put the key in there. Put the original car keys in the sensing area. The count of programmed keys is 2. Okay, now we program Smart Key. The current count of keys is 2. Put the key to be programmed into the sensing area. Click OK. Program successfully. Whether to program the next key, make sure to place the keys that need to be programmed in the sensing area. Take out the original car key and put the new key in the sensing area. Click OK. Program successfully. Whether to program the next key. Cancel. Good. The key program has completed. The number of programmed keys is 2. Okay, now let's see whether the new key can be used normally. The new car key. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. OK. Original car key. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. OK. Now we take the original keys out of the car. Alright, now let's start the car. Step on the brake. Press the start button. OK, start normally. Now we take the new key out of the car. Then bring the original key inside. OK, we press the start button. Program completed. K518 Pro successfully programmed smart keys for the November 2020 for Song L.